Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, is an excellent source of vitamin C, potassium, and iron. It's a superfood packed with great health benefits. Did you know that Vietnam is the world leading exporter of this fruit? But due to the coronavirus pandemic, tons of dragon fruits were stuck at borders and couldn't be exported for a while, so it was sold here at a very low price. In this video, I will give you some ideas what to make with this great fruit. So if you can find it next time at your local supermarket, give it a try. Let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
First recipe is red dragon fruit and yogurt sorbet. Peel and cut the fruit into cubes. Spread it out in a Ziploc bag and freeze. Then combine in a food processor with some Greek yogurt and sweetened condensed milk. Blitz until smooth. Pour into a container and keep in the freezer. And the dragon fruit sorbet is ready to serve anytime. Wow, look at that beautiful texture. So sweet and so smooth. Next, let's make some dragon fruit jelly balls. Cut into small dices and fill the molds. Mix a teaspoon of jelly powder with 1 cup water and a tablespoon of sugar. Bring to a boil or microwave 30 seconds on high. Pour the jelly liquid into the mold. Cover with the upper part of the mold. Leave to cool and chill for about 4 hours in the fridge. Wow, they look like red rubies. So precious. You can add this as topping to your favorite bubble milk tea or serve with some avocado pudding and coconut sauce to make a perfect dessert. Because it has such a beautiful color, let's make some gumdrops with this. Cut the dragon fruits into cubes and puree. Then strain to get rid of the seeds. For 150 ml of red dragon fruit juice, you will need 25 grams of gelatin. Mix the gelatin with half of the dragon fruit juice. Stir well and leave for about 5 minutes to bloom. Combine the remaining juice with 100 grams of sugar. Bring to a boil while constantly stirring to dissolve the sugar, and then add the gelatin. Stir until dissolved. Then take off the heat and pour into a container. Skim up the foam. Leave to cool for about 4 hours and then cut into small cubes. A beautiful candy with natural color and packed with vitamin C. You can use vegetable or cookie cutters to cut into your desired shape. Such a great gift to give to your kids. If you want to roll it over some more sugar, wait for 1 more day until it dries out completely, otherwise it will turn too wet. Why not making some lollipop with dragon fruit? Puree and then add some sweetened condensed milk. Pour into the molds. If you don't have the mold, you can use a recycled plastic cup, then use aluminum foil to cover and stand a stick in the middle. What a great way to cool down and add vitamin C to the body. I hope you enjoyed today's recipes and don't forget to click like and subscribe. I will see you then next time. Bye!